How to fix Valorant error code ban 135. To fix Valorant error code ban 135, try 1. Restart Valorant. 2. Turning your device off and on later. For example, restarting your PC. 3. Check out Valorant server status page at https://status.riotgames.com/valorant?? region =NA &locale =N_US. 4. Check out your internet connection. Improve it if needed. Also, try restarting your router. 5.